Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about another essential tool for data visualization, the line chart. If you want to track changes, spot trends, and analyze data over time, the line chart is your best friend. So, what exactly is a line chart? It displays information as a series of data points connected by straight lines. This makes it perfect for visualizing trends and changes in your data, especially over a continuous interval, like days, months, or years. Let's say you want to see how the number of business travel requests changes from month to month. With a line chart, you can easily track these fluctuations and identify patterns. Let's walk through how to create this chart. First, head over to your Travel Request Report dashboard. Click on Stats, then select the Business Travel Request form as your data source. From the right panel, choose the Line Chart option. Now, let's set up our chart. Since we want to see how the number of travel requests changes each month, our dimension should represent time. In this case, we'll use the estimated start date. This will go on the x-axis, showing each month. The metric is what we're measuring the number of requests. So, we'll use the requested by field for this. Just drag the estimated start date to the dimension area and the requested by field to the metric area. And there you have it. Our line chart now shows the monthly changes in business travel requests. Each point on the line represents a month, and the height of the line shows how many requests were made. With this chart, you can quickly spot peaks and valleys, see which months are busiest, and where requests drop off. It's a powerful way to visualize trends and make data-driven decisions. Want to make it even clearer? Customize your chart by adjusting colors, adding labels, or highlighting key trends. This way, your insights stand out and are easy to understand. And that's how you use a line chart to track changes over time. Whether you're analyzing business travel requests, sales, or any other time-based data, line charts make it simple to see what's happening at a glance. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more data visualization tips. Have questions or want to see more chart tutorials? Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.